Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing a brand new release product from Roon, their Roon Nucleus Plus. Now, although Roon stresses that there is no performance change or anything along those lines with the product, this new form factor is quite interesting, and it's one of the reasons I'm sharing it with you today. Roon obviously started out as a software company, but after struggling with tech support and other things for everybody else's brands of computers, they decided to release their own centralized server, the Nucleus and Nucleus Plus. And today we're unboxing the Nucleus Plus. So, the packaging has changed from the predecessor. The previous model had dark, sort of a graphite, grey, black box with a magnetic sort of catch. This one is a plain brown box. It's got a scan code at the back and model and serial number information at the back with serial number information. Opening the box requires no effort. There is no seals, and it's very, very straightforward to open the unit. In is some basic information. Welcome Roon Nucleus, and a quick setup guide. In it is some pictorials and other things as you would expect. Lifting the unit out reveals a little bit of the packaging. In the bottom is one of those big, good quality switch mode power supplies, and it has in here all of the adapters for all of the countries around the place. So we're going to keep the New Zealand one, there's the British one, United States, England. There's also some screws. Now, if I remember correctly, these are replacement screws should the unit be open for the purposes of putting in a hard drive, to ensure that the screws offer no burring or anything like that. Clipping the New Zealand power is easy, a good solid click, and away we go. And of course, away goes the packaging. Now, looking at the product and its packaging, of course, it's got closed cell foam, 4 pieces supporting all the corners of the unit, and a beautiful cloth bag. Obviously, they're ensuring that there's no opportunity of a scratch or anything like that. So they're looking at this beautiful new form factor for the first time. It's a fanless design, so the entire case is a heatsink, and you can see just how elegant that is. Again, as always, hang around for some photographs. I'll take some close-ups so that we can see this design. At the front, it's extremely muted. Only an engraved Roon symbol. At the base of the unit, we've got 4 large rubber feet for the purposes of supporting this and ensuring it doesn't rattle or vibrate, I guess. And then everything really happens at the back. We've got a dedicated power switch. Again, hang around for some photographs because these are going to be a bit small and difficult to see. Power switch, and beside it a 19-volt input from the switch mode power supply. Unique to this new version 2, I guess, is an HDMI output. The HDMI out has very, very rudimentary display information and may be utilized for the purposes of streaming to amplifiers with HDMI inputs. It has a network socket. This is gigabit. It has 2 USB 3 sockets for the purposes of large external drives, and a second HDMI output. I would suspect HDMI A is for picture and HDMI B is for sound, but we'll have a play later and we'll find it out. Okay, so there we have it. Roon's brand new form factor of the Nucleus Plus, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.